Hello students, welcome back for the last session based upon differentiability. Concerned to only the theory part, okay? In the theoretical part, it will be the last video session I'd like to conduct for you. That is the next question means where I left in the last part is I covered a Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem, explanatory. I given a few problems as an example I saw it there. The next one is a little bit different one, tactical one, okay? I'd like to explain it. If f from minus 5 to 5 is a domain to the real number system is a differentiable function and f dash of x does not vanishes anywhere, then prove that f of minus 5 is not equal to f of 5, okay? Now, how to solve this one? Just means there is no criteria is there. For that reason, I'd like to solve this particular problem by using contradictory method. Contradictory method means particularly I'd like to assume here what they told to prove not equal. Assume I'd like to take f of minus 5 is equal to f of 5. Just I'll assume, okay, f of minus 5 equal to f of 5. Then already given what they given, that is f of the given function is differentiable function. F of x is differentiable function. If it is differentiable, if the function is differentiable, then it must be continuous. That we know. F of x is continuous on the given interval, okay? Then what we have to prove is, see, on observing the part f of x is continuous and f of x is differentiable, f of a equal to f of b means all the conditions of which theorem are satisfied? Rolle's theorem are satisfied. Then there exists a point C such that what I need to write, f dash of c must be equal to 0. F dash of c must be equal to 0. For this condition, I'd like to write, concentrate on the board, f dash of x does not vanishes. What is the meaning? See, already it is given that, f dash of x does not vanish. Vanish means it will become 0. Does not vanish means which will not become 0. Means which will not be 0 for any value of the real number. Okay. Means which will not be equal to 0 for all the values. Means for any point whether I will get that derivative point will be 0. No. Means we got, means what we assumed is f of a equal to f of b. It is differentiable. It is continuous. What I assumed means what we understood is all the conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. F dash of c must be equal to 0 actually. But what they given, f dash of x does not vanish, which will not be 0 for any value. That's why which is not equal to 0 means our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is what? Wrong. If our assumption is wrong, means what's the actuality? F of 5 not equal to f of minus 5. Got it? Observe the next example. Verify the mean value theorem for the function f of x equal to x square minus 4x minus 3 in the interval 1, 4. First of all, I need to write f of x is continuous in on closed interval 1, 4. Why? Because it is a polynomial function. Okay. F of x is differentiable on open interval 1, 4. It is differentiable. For that reason, I need to write here f dash of x. What is f dash of x? Can you say? X square derivative will be 2x. 4x derivative will be minus 4. Got it? Then after this one, first of all, I need to check after the condition. I need to check f of 1. Okay. Boy, f of 1 is nothing but a f of a here. What is f of 1? In the function 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 3. It will be 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. We got the value minus 6. Okay. Now in the similar manner, I need to calculate f of b. It is f of b value will be 4. Okay. what is, wherever x is there, I need to substitute 4 square. 4 into 4 minus 3. Okay. 4 square is 16. 4 into 4 is 16. Positive 16 minus 16 cancel. We got the minus 3. And what we understood is f of 1 is not equal to f of 4. Got it? Okay. If it is not equal means it must follow the Lagrange's mean value theorem. Because of that term, I need to apply the formula f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. What is f dash of c? Can you say? F dash of c will be 2c minus 4. What is f of b? Yes, f of b value is minus 3 minus. What is f of a? A value is minus 6. Okay. What is b minus a? It is 4 minus 1. Okay. Got it? Then after this one, 2c minus 4 is equal to 6 minus 3 will be 3. 4 minus 1 will be 3. 3 cancel. 2c is equal to this 3 cancel. We got 1 minus 4 on right hand side plus 4. Then 2c is equal to 5. C is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is nothing but 2.5. Whether 2.5 is in between the open interval of 1, 4? Yes, it is in that particular interval. Focus on the board for the next problem. Verify the mean value theorem. The already given is a polynomial function. It is a cubic polynomial. It is a continuous on closed interval 1, 3. Differentiable in a open interval 1, 3. What I need to calculate the value, can you say? It is f dash of x I need to calculate. What is f dash of x? X cube derivative 3x square minus it will be 10x minus 3. Okay, got it? And after this one, I need to calculate lower limit value f of 1. What is f of 1 in the given question? 1 to the power 3 minus 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1. It will be 1 minus 8 will be minus 7. Okay. What is f of 3 value? It will be 3 to the power 3 minus 5 into 3 square minus 3 into 3. Okay. 3 to the power 3 will be 27 minus 3 square will be 9. 9 into 5, 45 minus 9. Here it will be 27 minus 54. It will be minus 27. Okay. Got it? Means f of a is not equal to f of a is not equal to f of b. Means what I tried, f of 1 is not equal to f of 3. Means which will follow the Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay. What is the formula? F dash of c equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Got it? What is f dash of c? I tried this equation. 3c square minus 10c minus 3 is equal to, what is f of b value? Yes, f of b value is minus 27 minus f of a value will be minus 7 b minus a. Yes, 3 minus 1. It will be 3c square minus 10c minus 3 minus 27 plus 7 will be minus 20 divided by 2. 3c square minus 10c minus 3 is equal to minus 10. Now minus 10 on left hand side, it will be 3c square minus 10c. It will be what? Plus 7 is equal to 0. We'll get the factors after factorization. It will be c minus 1 and 3c minus 7 is equal to 0. C is equal to 1, which will not be belongs to the open interval of 1, 3. Why? Because open interval means end points are excluded. Another point will be c is equal to 7 divided by 3, which belongs to 1, 3. Because 7 by 3 is nothing but a 2 point something. Got it? Concentrate on the board. It will be applicability of the Lagrange's mean value theorem. Whether the Lagrange's mean value theorem is applicable to this question or not, that I need to check. Okay. Here it is a greatest integer function that you already know that f of x is not continuous on closed interval 5, 9. Therefore, f of x is not differentiable on open interval 5, 9. Okay, means LMVT is not applicable. Got it? Okay. In the similar manner, one more example is there. It is also greatest integer function. If it is a greatest integer function, means f of x is not continuous. Not continuous on what? Not continuous. I will write the values also. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. For these points, it is not continuous. Therefore, f of x is not differentiable. Not differentiable on open interval -2, 2. Therefore, what I need to write? LMVT is not applicable. Got it? Focus on the board. Concerned to only theory syllabus, means NCERT syllabus. This will be the last example that I'm going to solve. Okay, again applicability of the LMVT. Here f of x is continuous. Why it is continuous? Can you say continuous on closed interval 1, 2? Why? Because it's a polynomial function. Got it? After this one, f of x is differentiable on open interval 1, 2. After this one, I need to write a derivative of the function f dash of x is x square, derivative will be 2x, one derivative will be 0. The next part will be, next condition will be, I need to check the lower limit and upper limit value. F of 1, it is 1 square minus 1, the value will be 0. What is f of 2? It will be 2 square minus 1, 4 minus 1 will be 3. We understood that f of 1 is not equal to f of 2, means which will follow the Lagrange's mean value theorem. How to calculate the tangential point? By using the formula f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Okay, what is the f dash of c value? Can you say f dash of c will be 2c is equal to f of b value will be, yes, it is 3. Okay, f of 1 value will be, it's 0 divided by b minus a, 2 minus 1 it is. What's the 2 minus 1? 1. 2c is equal to 3. C is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5. That's why 1.5 belongs to the open interval of 1, 2. I think you enjoyed the videos of all the parts of the differentiability. Okay. In the next video, I'd like to give some of the special problems based upon the differentiability. Okay. Try to solve all the problems of derivatives and enjoy the part of mathematics.